Okay, corner, orange stage, Whoa!
Come on, you!
What happened there? What do you guys think happened there? What do you guys think happened there? What do you think happened to his hands? I just want to point out the view here. Look at that view. Woo-wee. That looks amazing. I would love to ride this and just enjoy the view, kind of cruising, making sure, I'm using my peripheral vision for the view because we only have a little bit of focal vision where it's super sharp images. So I'm going to look at the ground. I'm going to do a quick look at the view, maybe use my peripheral and just kind of enjoy the view that way. I'm not going to do anything crazy. So why do you think the bike turned that way? So what happened? What happened right here? Why do you think the bike flipped the wrong way? And I'm seeing some people right here, front locked and scraped flesh. Ooh, woo, baby. No gloves and shorts. Write in the comments what you guys think. Braked in the turn. High side, died. No, he didn't die. Oil. So that's another thing that I see. So maybe he lost traction on this piece of oil. I mean, it could be oil. And then as soon as it grabbed traction again, because he started sliding, it maybe turned into a high side. But this is what a high side looks like. You flipped over the wrong way. Now, if it was an oil situation, you pretty much don't have control over it other than the fact that trying to dodge any discoloration in the road. Okay, so you have no control over it. But what do you have control over if you crash? Having gear on. So having a helmet, hopefully that protected his melon, but he's not protecting anything else. Okay. Now, if it was a high side because of braking in the turn, what is it that you have control over? Make sure you have better skill. Okay, go take a class. And I keep saying that, we have this online class going on right here. But when I say take a class, I mean you take a hands-on class, take an advanced class, take a class that is specific to what you want to do. If you want to go fast, by all means do it. But go take a track class. And you're going to learn what fast really is, and you're going to do it safely. But here, if it was mainly a braking in the turn, maybe do you think this guy is renting the bike in this area and doesn't know how to ride? I don't know. But here, this is what we're going to learn from this. Don't slam those brakes in the turn. We're also going to learn from this. Watch out for any discolorations in the road because it could be oil, which will cause you to lose traction. And then we're also going to learn from this is that if we have zero control over the oil in the road and then possibly accidentally panic braking, hopefully we have gear to protect ourselves, okay? More. Look at his tires, though. Look at his body. What do you think he's doing there? He's losing traction too, right? He's fishtailing it. Got very lucky he didn't crash himself. Did not steer properly. No counter steer. All right, Jackie. Yeah. Grab yourself a rock form case. I have a little pop socket adapter. I absolutely love it. This is a magnet right here. It keeps your phone nice and secure. A lot better than some of the other competitors. So make sure you check them out. Links in the description. Automatic discount when you click that link.